Premium southeast location, convenient to shopping, YMCA, golf trails. Almost half-acre cul-de-sac property with large privacy fenced backyard. Home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, and newly finished Brazilian cherry hardwood and living room, dining room, breakfast nook, kitchen, and foyer. There is an abundance of natural light flowing throughout. The home setup is perfect for entertaining indoors or out with deck access off the breakfast nook. All appliances will stay with the home, including the washer and dryer. A welcoming living room features a custom-designed gas log fireplace. A formal dining room is just off the kitchen. The elegant master suite includes a glass and ceramic tile shower and a spacious walk-in closet. There is access to a second deck off the master suite. 2 additional bedrooms, full bath, and laundry complete the living space. The furnace, AC, and hot water heater were replaced in 2011.